In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get a read receipt in Outlook. A read receipt is a small notification Outlook can send back once the recipient opens your message. It's helpful when you need confirmation that a time-sensitive email was seen, but keep in mind that read receipts aren't guaranteed. Some apps ignore them, some organizations block them, and recipients can decline the request. Still, Outlook makes it easy to enable the option. Start by composing a new email. Open Outlook, create a new message, add your recipient, write a clear subject, and type your content as usual. The read receipt setting doesn't change how you write the email, it simply adds a tracking flag in the background. Before sending, locate the More Options menu in the message window. This appears as a three-dot icon on the toolbar. In the desktop app, you'll find it on the ribbon. In Outlook on the web or Mac, it's also on the Compose toolbar. Click the three dots to reveal additional message settings. From that menu, select Request a read receipt. Once chosen, Outlook attaches a behind-the-scenes request asking the recipient's email client to send a notification when the message is opened. Nothing visibly changes in your draft, and the email looks completely normal. Now send your message. If the recipient's system supports read receipts, and they allow or approve the request, Outlook will send you a confirmation. Depending on your Outlook version, you may receive this as a message in your inbox or see it displayed in your sent messages tracking details. If no receipt comes back, it doesn't automatically mean the email wasn't read, it could simply be blocked, unsupported, or declined. A few tips: use read receipts only when necessary, especially in professional settings where overusing them can seem intrusive. For urgent or important emails, still make your subject clear and include relevant deadlines. If your organization has restrictions, results may vary.